Don't jinx me. Understanding a unique English expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and slightly superstitious English phrase, don't jinx me. This expression is often used in casual conversations, and understanding it can really add a fun element to your English communication. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of don't jinx me. The phrase, don't jinx me, is rooted in a superstitious belief. A jinx is an action or statement that is thought to bring bad luck. When someone says, don't jinx me, they usually mean that they don't want the other person to say or do something that might bring bad luck or cause a good situation to go wrong. This phrase is often used playfully or humorously in English-speaking cultures. To better understand how don't jinx me is used, let's look at some examples. 1. Before a job interview. Imagine someone is about to have a job interview and they're feeling confident. A friend might say, "You're definitely going to get that job." The person might respond with, "Don't jinx me." Here, they're playfully suggesting that expressing overconfidence might bring bad luck. 2. During a sports game. Suppose a basketball player has been scoring consistently. A fan might comment, "He hasn't missed a single shot." Another might respond, "Shush, don't jinx him." In this context, they believe that talking about his success might suddenly cause him to start missing shots. While don't jinx me is commonly used in English, it's important to understand that it's mostly used in informal situations and often with a sense of humor. It's part of a cultural context where superstitions are lightly acknowledged in conversation, even if people don't seriously believe in them. If you want to express a similar sentiment without using the word jinx, you could say, 1. Don't curse it. This also suggests avoiding bad luck. 2. Let's not count our chickens before they hatch. This means not to be too confident about a positive outcome before it's certain. And that's a wrap on the phrase, don't jinx me. We hope you found this explanation helpful and enjoyable. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding cultural nuances and expressions. So, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use playful expressions like this one in your conversations. See you in the next video.